Welcome back, food enthusiasts. Let's explore the world of Sous Vide cooking, exploring the best 8 precision cookers that you can find online. Whether you're a seasoned Sous Vide chef or just starting out, these appliances promise to elevate your culinary game to new heights. Now, let's jump right in. Number 8. KitchenBoss Sous Vide Cooker 1100 Watt. It is a waterproof water thermal immersion circulator with accurate temperature control and a digital display of slow cooking sous vide. It features a large digital display for easy monitoring, along with intuitive controls that simplify the cooking process. Easy to program, easy to use, works perfectly, and is virtually silent. Overall, this Sous Vide cooker is ideal for anyone looking to take their Sous Vide skills to the next level. Number 7. Wancle Thermal Immersion Circulator. The Wancle 001 El Salvador Sous Vide cooker stands out for its user-friendly design and durable construction. Its wide range of temperature and time control, with a maximum of 99-59 minutes, allows you to cook any type of food you like, and Sous Vide cooking retains more nutrients and vitamins than other cooking methods. Cooking at home with Sous Vide ensures food safety. Plus, its compact size makes storage a breeze. Number 6. VPCOK Sous Vide Precision Cooker. Compact yet powerful, the VPCOK Sous Vide Cooker Thermal Immersion Circulator is known for its straightforward operation and consistent results. Based on thousands of food tests, this Sous Vide cooker could accurately control cooking time and temperature. It heats water quickly and maintains precise temperatures throughout the cooking process, ensuring tender and flavorful dishes every time. Number 5. Monoprice Sous Vide Immersion Cooker. Cook food to perfection with this immersion cooker. Sous vide cooking is one of the hottest new trends in food preparation. The Monoprice Sous Vide Immersion Cooker 121,594 offers exceptional value with its precise temperature control and easy-to-read display. The Sous Vide cooker includes an adjustable clamp, so you can attach it to a wide variety of cooking pots from 2.6 to 4.0 gallons capacity. It keeps water circulating at the exact temperature and always cooks perfectly. The mount, while made of plastic, feels really high quality. No weird wobble or anything, and it feels sturdy and secure while in use. Number 4. Upesitom Wi-Fi Sous Vide Machine. This latest Sous Vide machine supports 2.4 Wi-Fi, which allows you to check and control the sous cooking machine from anywhere or anytime via the app. A precision Sous Vide cooker with a 360-degree directional pump heats ingredients quickly and evenly. The 1100-watt Sous Vide machine heats ingredients quickly and evenly for a tender and juicy taste. Number 3. Inkbird Wi-Fi Sous Vide Cooker. For those who prefer a budget-friendly option without sacrificing quality, the Inkbird Wi-Fi Sous Vide Cooker S-100 Watt is a standout choice. The Inkbird Wi-Fi Sous Vide Cooker only supports 2.4 Wi-Fi, but once connected with the Sous Vide machine with your router via app Inkbird Pro, it could be checked and controlled anywhere you are. This Sous Vide precision cooker keeps a homogeneous temperature for up to 20 liters of water even at full 1000 watts output. Besides, it features a wide temperature range of 77-210 degrees Fahrenheit within 0.1 degrees Celsius accuracy and a max timer setting of 99 hours. Intuitive LCD touch controls allow effortless adjustment and tracking. Number 2. Breville Joule Sous Vide. Breville CS 20001 Joule Sous Vide impresses with its sleek design and powerful performance. This compact cooker heats water quickly and efficiently, allowing for precise cooking from anywhere via its intuitive smartphone app. Perfect results like the visual doneness feature in the Joule app display exactly how food cooks. Dinner comes out predictably perfect every time. Number 1. Anova Culinary Sous Vide Precision Cooker. Anova is the only Sous Vide device that allows you to set and control your food's time and temperature manually on the cooker, through an app, or by voice. Whether cooking a simple meal or an extravagant feast, The precision cooker heats water faster and holds temperature precisely, so you can get cooking quicker than ever. This Sous Vide cooking offers the perfect level of doneness for nearly any food. Chicken, fish, vegetables, eggs, beef, lamb, mutton, and more are all ideal foods for Sous Vide. And there you have it, the top 8 Sous Vide precision cookers according to Amazon. Thank you for watching. Until next time, keep experimenting in the kitchen and exploring the wonderful world of Sous Vide cooking. See you soon.